Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading deep into the heart of Punta Cana for an unforgettable day at Scape Park, one of the Dominican Republic's top eco-adventure destinations. Get ready for cliffside ziplining, cave swimming, and close encounters with monkeys, iguanas, and farm animals, all packed into one wild experience. Whether you're flying solo, traveling with your partner, or bringing the whole family, this is one stop in Punta Cana you seriously can't miss. Be sure to watch till the end for our honest review of the park and some must-know tips. First up, and we're kicking things off at El Rancho, where we check out some adorable farm animals and get a taste of Dominican rural life. So buckle up, tap that like button, and let's dive into everything you need to know before visiting Scape Park.
Welcome to Monkey Island, home to playful capuchin and squirrel monkeys. These guys are total show-offs, leaping, climbing, and totally uninhibited in their open-air habitat. Unlike zoo exhibits, there are no bars or glass, just a moat separating them from the visitors. They're wild, free, and constantly entertaining. You'll catch them swinging overhead or in groups hopping around a tree canopy. Just next door is Iguanaland, home to the unique rhinoceros iguana, a species endemic to the Dominican Republic. These prehistoric-looking reptiles get their name from the bump on their snout that resembles a rhino horn. Need a break from the heat? The cave swim is a must. This underground pool is surrounded by natural rock and dimly lit for an otherworldly experience. This peaceful walk takes you through Dominican history with recreated homes and scenes from Taino, Spanish, and African cultures. A perfect moment to reflect on the region's past. One of the park's highlights is the legendary Hoyo Azul, or Blue Hole. You'll take a scenic nature trail through a botanical garden before reaching this hidden turquoise cenote tucked beneath a towering cliff. The water is cold, clear, and incredibly refreshing, especially after hiking through the jungle. Pro tip number 3, wear water shoes. The rocks can be slippery. Get ready for a thrill. The Zipline Eco Splash lets you soar through the air and even splash into water at the end of the run.
Oh god, I wanna get wet! I just got up!
Saltos Azules is all about splash zones and thrill drops, rope swings, splash hammocks, cliff jumps. This is where you let loose and have some wet and wild fun. So there you have it, a full day of non-stop fun at Scape Park, Cap Cana. Whether you're here for the adrenaline, the scenery, or family-friendly fun, this place delivers. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel guides, and drop a comment with your favorite part or what you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.